So here we are on a TCG trading card machine that we use for Pokemon cards, which absolutely rocks. And we want to change this coil. We pulled the trade out, which you don't have to do, but it's easier. Put our finger behind the spring, adjust the window so that it's at the 6 o'clock position, which is about right there. To change it, you just rotate it like this. From here, we apply a little pressure, rotate it counterclockwise. It'll slide right off the top. And now to put a coil on, same thing, slide it over the top, line up this notch with that window. Apply a little pressure and turn it clockwise. To adjust the coil, if we want it around the 5 or 6 o'clock position, we just rotate it like that. We're ready to go.